Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable automatic video pop out in Opera browser. In case you open Opera browser and while watching any video, you open a new tab and you see that video has pop out and appears on your top of the all of the windows on your Windows PC, then you can disable this behavior using two methods. First one is on the pop out window, click on this one settings gear icon, and here you will find this one toggle switch automatically pop out video. Just toggle off this one toggle switch to disable this one automatic pop out video in Opera browser, and in case you want to enable this one feature, again open any video and then click on this one pop out icon that represents with arrow or up arrow. Click on this one, this will pop out video. Then click on this one settings icon and you can enable this one automatic pop out video from here. Next one method is through this one settings of the Opera. For that, open Opera browser and then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and then select settings in the drop down menu. Under settings, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one advanced option. Again scroll down to find out video option. Just scroll down and you will find this one video pop out section. Here you will find this one enable video pop out. This will enable pop out video, and in case you want to disable automatic pop out, you can use this one toggle switch automatically pop out videos when possible. Just turn off this one toggle switch to disable the automatically pop out videos in Opera browser, and in case you want to enable this one automatic pop out videos in Opera, just toggle on this one switch. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.